ಕೌಶಿಕಂ ಸರ್ವಮಯಂ ಆಹಾರ್ಯ ಚಂದ್ರತಾರಾದಿ ತ್ವಂ ನಮಃ ಸ್ವಾತಿಕಂ ಶಿವಂ.
ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು, ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನು, ಆ ದೈವದಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು, ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು. ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದ.
Oh my love, welcome to my heart. I'm in love, I'm in love. You are my love, you are my love, you are my love, you are my love. చూస్తేనే చాలా ఇలా నా కళ్ళు నిన్నే చూస్తుండాలా, చాలా లవ్లీగా ఇలా రేపాబు గోలా మదసిలోన సర్ఫింగ్ చేస్తుంది ఇలా.
ತದಿಗಿಣದೊಂ ತದನದಂ ದಣತ ಝುಣು ಝುಣು culture and ancient temples, Tamil Nadu gave us Bharatanatyam dance and delicious idlis and dosa.
Next is Uttar Pradesh with 230 million residents and Hindi as the official language. Famous for the historical cities like Agra and Varanasi, where you'll find the Taj Mahal and enjoy the Mughlai cuisine.
Now we have Andhra Pradesh with 54 million inhabitants and Telugu as the official language. It's known for the ancient city of Amaravati, Kuchipudi dance, and their flavorful biryani.
Let's travel to Rajasthan, home to 69 million people and Hindi as the official language. This state is famous for its grand forts, palaces, and beautiful traditional jewelry.
Moving on to Telangana, with a population of 35 million, and Telugu is the official language. Known for the historic city of Warangal, the Ramappa temple, and their delicious Hyderabadi biryani.
Now we showcase Punjab with 30 million residents and Punjabi as the official language. Famous for the Golden Temple, vibrant Bhangra dance, and their hearty cuisine like sarson ka saag and makki di roti.
Next, Maharashtra, with 123 million people and Marathi as the official language. Home to Mumbai, the heart of Bollywood, and known for its ancient caves and street food delights like vada pav and pav bhaji.
Moving to Kerala with 34 million residents and Malayalam as the official language. Known for its tranquil backwaters, Ayurvedic treatments, and Kathakali dance and tasty South Indian dishes like idlis and dosas.
Now Karnataka, with 67 million inhabitants and Kannada as the official language. Famous for the historical city of Mysore, ancient temples, and their vibrant cultural scene including Bharatanatyam dance, biryani, and coffee.
Next is Gujarat with 60 million residents and Gujarati as the official language. Known for the historical city of Ahmedabad, vibrant Garba dance during festivals, and their flavorful khichdi and handicrafts. Should we read the last part?
You want to read it? No, no, no. Lastly, Kashmir, with a population of 13 million and Urdu as the official language. Celebrated for its stunning natural beauty, historic mosques, exquisite handicrafts, and traditional attire.
I might just read it.